Ever wondered how to make the perfect lemon garlic roasted chicken? Ponder no more, as today we're unlocking the secrets to this delightful dish. Imagine a feast featuring a whole chicken, its skin golden and crisp, seasoned with the tangy zest of lemons and the robust flavor of garlic. Add in the earthy notes of fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme, and you've got yourself a culinary masterpiece. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need a whole chicken, of course. Then gather up some lemons, garlic cloves, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Don't forget your choice of fresh herbs. Rosemary and thyme both work beautifully. Now it's time to get cooking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms up, take your chicken and give it a good rub. Use olive oil, salt and pepper, minced garlic, and the zest from your lemons. This is where the magic happens. As the chicken cooks, these flavors will meld together, creating a mouth-watering aroma that fills your kitchen and whets your appetite. Next, take the lemon halves and garlic cloves and place them inside the chicken cavity. This infuses the chicken from the inside out, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Now, it's time to roast. Place your chicken in the preheated oven and wait. After about an hour and 15 minutes, your chicken should be golden brown, with juices running clear. Don't forget to baste occasionally to keep the chicken moist and flavorful. Once your chicken is cooked to perfection, give it a moment to rest before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the chicken, ensuring every slice is succulent and delicious. And there you have it, the perfect lemon garlic roasted chicken. A simple yet sophisticated dish that's sure to impress. From the tangy lemon zest and robust garlic to the earthy fresh herbs, each ingredient plays a part in creating this culinary masterpiece. In summary, start by preheating your oven and preparing your chicken with a rub of olive oil, salt, pepper, minced garlic, and lemon zest. Stuff the chicken with lemon halves and garlic cloves, then roast until golden brown and juicy. Let it rest, carve, and serve. So the next time you're looking for a dinner dish that's sure to impress, remember this recipe. It's a testament to the beauty of simplicity in cooking, where a few quality ingredients come together to create something truly special. Enjoy the process, savor the aromas, and most importantly, relish the delicious end result.